What is this? See, it's just my pit bike. Tripod. Okay, guys, here's my 2006 Rock Bike 110. I spray painted it black because I think it looks better. I just I put on too thick of a coat on there, but I think it looks awesome, especially the front fender. That turned out really good. But yeah, I've had this pit bike for 2 years. Nothing major has broken except for the back brake. It's been a great bike. Got a new back tire for it. I would recommend buying a Chinese pit bike if you just want a little pit bike to fool around on. I know SSR is a really good brand, but you could buy those at a lot of regular dirt bike stores. This I had to order off some website, bestpriceatvs.com. They no longer carry it because I think I bought the last one. Because right after I ordered it, like the next day they took it off. But yeah, it's a 2006 Rock Bike 110. It's definitely not as fast as a KLX 110. I've rode one of those and they are pretty nice. It was faster than a CRF 100. But yeah, it's a great bike. It's faster than an 84 stroke. Maybe even a CRF 100 or something. But yeah, it's a great bike. I love it. And the good thing about this is it was only $500. But if you really felt like it, which I don't, so I'm not going to, but you can make this thing. You can get a full BBR pipe or one of those other brands. I'm not sure what they are. I think you can get a big, oh my god. I think you can get a big gun pipe for this. You can get a lot of BBR stuff for this, but, you know, I'm trying to deal with that right there, so maybe this will have to wait till never. Oh, and I'm thinking of selling this thing, so I bought it for $500. I'll sell it for $200. If any of you are interested, I'm not shipping it. But, yeah, so now I'm going to start it up. Let's see if she'll fire without any gas. No choke, no gas. After 2 years, one chain spark plug, it did that. Now I'm gonna ride it. But I have to turn the tripod and move the camera. I'll try to do a wheelie. Oh god, that's a little tilted, oh well. Yeah, I'm gonna try to do like 2 wheelies. I haven't done one wheelie yet today, so I might suck in the beginning. Because I'm not that good yet, and it usually takes me a while to get warmed up. One more! One more! Okay, see you later. Rate, subscribe, leave a comment. I enjoy them. See you later.